Great Scott! I'm transmitting from the year 2085, and Crown Auto Sales and Leasing has single-handedly taken over the used car industry. And if my time-traveling calculations are correct, they're about to take over the entire world! If you need transportation, they have the solution. It's all because of their easy financing, low down payments, and affordable monthly payments designed to fit everybody's budget. I love traveling back from the future to see deals like these. It makes time traveling unbelievable. I just might travel to the year 3000 and purchase my next vehicle, because regardless of your credit, past or present, they can get you approved today. Your future looks really bright with Crown Auto Sales and Leasing. Transportation is their business. Go visit buyatcrown.com.